Local elections in the United Kingdom are due to be held on 6 May 2021 for 145 English local councils, 13 directly elected mayors in England, and 39 police and crime commissioners in England and Wales. There are also elections to the Scottish Parliament, Senedd and London Assembly, the last in conjunction with the London mayoral election. Also on the same day as these local elections, there will be a UK Parliament by-election for the constituency of Hartlepool. In March 2020, the government announced that the elections scheduled for 7 May 2020 would be delayed for a year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. They are now to be held at the same time as the elections previously scheduled for 2021. The seats up for election are those last contested in 2016 and 2017. New unitary authorities to replace the county and district councils in Northamptonshire and Buckinghamshire are due to hold their inaugural elections this year. The local elections in May 2019 across a majority of councils in England saw the Conservative Party suffer significant losses to the Liberal Democrats, who regained councils they lost to the Conservatives in 2015. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.